Hey guys, it's March 28th, 2010, Sunday. I'm on my way down here to South Raymond. I'm going to take my Remington 870 12 gauge out. I'm going to pattern it, find out what my yardage is, what my pattern is going to be. See how far out there I can get before I start losing accuracy on my 12 gauge. Just wanted to bring you guys along with me, show you a little bit about my life and what I'm about. I hope you enjoy watching this. If you like it, please feel free to leave a comment. If you don't like it, leave a comment also. If you got any tips you want to give me, let me know how to make it better. Hey, I love positive criticism. Well guys, I'll talk to you later. Let's get back to the action. Alright guys, the first shell I'm going to be shooting is a 12 gauge, 2 3/4, 7.5 shot. That one's a whole lot better. 17 on those. The second one I'll be shooting is 3-inch 12 gauge turkey load 5 shot. Ew.
Battery off my face.
You got one?
Yes.
Bruh. I was trying to give me that gun.
Duck! Duck! See those motherfuckers split? Shot in those motherfuckers. God.
Than a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive.
Yeah, I would have been pissed at that.
Yeah, but if you had them 4-inch Magnus broadheads with the, you would have cut his head off.
I do have.
Go ahead and turn off the other one. Ian, did you want this other one recording still? No? Alright.
You said it'd stay up.
It comes up when you draw.
Keep your arm out a little bit, dude.
Do I have to look through that dot?
Yep. Put that top pin right on it.
Bend your arm a little bit too.
Which one?
Your left
Your
arm,
left
bend
arm.
it out a little bit because you're going to hit it with the string. Yeah.
I think you can hold much longer. Hit it right in the head.
In the face!
Second time shooting a compound bow with a guy that's got a reach of like 36 inches.